Before you scroll away, answer me this. What if I told you there are places on Earth so strange, scientists still have absolutely no idea what's happening? I'm talking about islands where people vanish, zones where time itself seems to go weird, and lakes that turn living things to stone. Today, we re-diving deep into the 5 most mysterious places on Earth that science still can't explain. Are you ready? Let's begin. First up, we travel to Minnesota, USA, to find the Devil's Kettle. Picture a powerful waterfall, but with a bizarre twist. One side of the river cascades down like normal, flowing on its way. But the other side plunges into a giant, gaping hole in the rock. And then it just disappears. Completely. Gone. For decades, scientists have tried everything to solve this mystery. They've poured brightly colored dyes into the kettle, tossed in logs, even dropped thousands of ping-pong balls into the abyss, hoping to spot them somewhere downstream. The result? Nothing. Not a single trace of the dye, the logs, or the balls has ever been found. It's as if half a river is being swallowed by the earth, and to this day, no one knows where all that water goes. It's a geological puzzle that defies all explanation. Next, we head south to the barren landscape of the Mexican desert, to a place ominously known as the Zone of Silence. This isn't just a catchy name. Here, technology goes haywire. Radios stop working, emitting nothing but static. Compasses spin wildly, unable to find north. Even modern electronics and phones glitch out unpredictably. It's so strange that pilots are trained to avoid flying directly over this area because their navigation instruments can suddenly fail. Local legends speak of bizarre, glowing lights in the night sky and an unusually high number of meteorites crashing in this specific patch of desert. Some have even nicknamed it Earth's own Bermuda Triangle on land. Scientists have studied the area, noting strange magnetic fluctuations, but a definitive explanation for all the weird phenomena? They're still completely stumped. Our third stop takes us to Tanzania, to the shores of Lake Natron. From a distance, its vibrant, blood-red waters look almost beautiful, like something from another planet. But get a little closer, and you'll witness something straight out of a horror film. Animals that happen to touch the lake's water are often found later as stone-like statues, perfectly preserved in their final moments. The water here is incredibly alkaline, with a pH level almost as high as ammonia. This extreme chemical composition literally calcifies and mummifies any creature that dies in it. While some uniquely adapted microorganisms thrive in these harsh conditions, scientists are still fascinated and baffled by how this lake acts as a natural petrification machine, creating an eerie sculpture garden of perfectly preserved wildlife. Now, let's journey to the heart of Turkmenistan, to a site that looks like it was ripped from a fantasy epic, the Darvaza gas crater, more famously known as the Door to Hell. Imagine a colossal fiery pit in the middle of the desert, almost as wide as a football field, that has been burning continuously for over 50 years. This wasn't a natural event. It started back in the 1970s, when Soviet scientists were drilling for natural gas. The ground beneath their rig collapsed, creating a massive crater and releasing a steady stream of poisonous methane gas. To prevent a catastrophe, they made a decision. They set it on fire. They figured it would burn out in a few days, maybe a couple of weeks at most. Instead, it never stopped. For half a century, the flames have roared day and night. No one knows for sure how much gas is left down there, or just how deep this infernal pit really goes. Finally, we arrive at the most legendary mystery of them all, the Bermuda Triangle. This infamous stretch of the Atlantic Ocean, between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been the subject of chilling stories for generations. Ships have vanished without a distress call. Entire squadrons of military planes have disappeared from radar without a trace. In many cases, no wreckage, no debris, and no survivors were ever found. Over the years, Experts have proposed dozens of theories, from rogue waves and violent, unpredictable weather to underwater methane gas eruptions that could sink a ship in seconds. Others point to powerful magnetic anomalies that could disrupt compasses and electronics. Yet none of these theories fully explain every single disappearance. Even with our advanced modern aircraft and ships, pilots and captains still report strange instrument readings and bizarre phenomena in the area. It remains the world's most feared and mystifying stretch of ocean. So after hearing about these 5 incredible places, here's the question I have for you. Which one of these mysteries do you think science will finally solve first? Or do you believe some secrets of our planet are never meant to be fully explained? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you love exploring the unknown and want more mind-bending mysteries like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episode. Thanks for watching.